everybody. It's birthday once again.
Why are you so happy today?
Then we're gonna
Huh?
Google.
Because you're gonna unbox another toot-toot drivers, is that right?
What is that his name?
So this is the construction site.
What is
Toot-toot
that?
drivers.
What is that?
What is that one? Can you show it to me? I can't see it.
We have a
Oh, that's a truck, isn't it? It's a digger truck. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna open it now.
Yeah.
Yay! Ate Taya will help us unbox it. So this is also for kids ages 1 to 5. There's 30 sounds, melodies, sound and phrases. It's shapes sorted. So there's 3 shapes there to sort out, okay? Now, so let's open it. Construction site.
Woo.
Ooh. Look at all this. That's a lot. So we are gonna assemble them all. So this is the truck over here, guys.
This is rock.
And look at all this. Do you have the rocks? Did you find the rocks, Brooks?
Yeah.
Did you?
Rock.
Wow, well done. Very good. So these are all the functions here. So motor skills. So green handle, turn to raise and lower the basket lift. And then there's a lift there. Raise the lift to the top of the shape sorter tower. And shape sorter. Drop shape pieces into the hole. So it's actually good for toddlers as well to know their shapes. And then there's a crane. Turn to rotable crane towel 360. Wow, that's cool. And then of course you can expand your playset. Connect to the other playset. So you can connect all of the toot-toot drivers. So this is our digger truck over here. So digger cab moves back and forth and bucket moves up and down, Brooks. Wow, that's cool. So there's recognizes smart point location. So plays 3 sing-along song and 6 melodies. Teaches the vehicle name through pretend play. And this is of course parent-friendly features. Okay guys. So assemble time, Brooks. Yay! Ate Tay will help us assemble. So that's the main thing, I think, yeah? That's a big crane. Look at this one. That's a big crane, isn't it?
Yeah. There's 2 stuck inside.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So this is the construction site, Brooks.
That's a wheel. That's a wheel.
Look at your crane is up. Yay! Whoa, that's so cool. Okay, it's nearly done. I think I like this toot-toot driver thing because it's very easy to assemble. Yeah?
Yeah, I agree.
It's so cool.
Is that a bolt?
Hmm?
No.
No, I don't think so. I think that's the thing you put on the crane to put all the rocks. Yeah? Wow, look at this now. So this is the digger over here. Ooh, look at this, Brooks. This is nearly done.
Mommy,
There. Now, Brooksy. There. Whoa. So that's the lift there. That's the one that goes up and down. And what's that blue thingy?
I think
Oh, it looks like the truck. Oh, I think that's this one here. No, this one here. It's like the driver or something. Yeah. So we have to put sticker on it.
Mommy, where's the other rock?
There you go.
Now.
Okay, so we're gonna put the stickers. Oh, this one goes where? Oh, that goes there, Brooks. Look. So I think that's your loader. So you're gonna put your rocks there, Brooks, and it goes up and down, and it's gonna help the construction.
Like this?
So these are all the stickers, guys. We have to put them. So these are the stickers. So this is the driver. This is the guy that drives the crane, Brooks. There you go. So that's the crane driver. And it's the, oh, we have ABC and the numbers as well. Brooksy, you doing it? Yay, well done. Twist it again. Very good. Now, here we go. It's all done. We just need to take the car, no, I mean the truck out. There you go, Brixie. And then we can do our playtime. Well, Brooks, what's this? This is the construction site. VTech toot-toot drivers, guys. Whoa! That's all the stones.